watch those police dramas on TV and the police are creeping up on the suspect's house and they want to see how many suspects there are, and so they point the thermal camera at the house and you can clearly see the three suspects pacing frantically around the room. Or when they fly a drone with a thermal camera and you can again clearly see the thermal images of the suspects fleeing in an underground tunnel. Well, I'm about to dispel that thermal myth for you. My UAS partner, John Cummins, and I set up a demonstration. We positioned the Matrice 300 drone on a desk with its camera showing a split screen with the thermal on the left and the regular camera on the right, and set two cups up in front of it. The cup on the left contains cold water and the cup on the right contains hot water. Then we positioned a piece of regular glass in front of the cups. On the right, you can still clearly see the cups. However, in the thermal camera view, you can't see the cups anymore. All you can see is the thermal reflection of the drone. The thermal camera can't see through the solid glass object, even though you can see through it with the human eye. The next demonstration that we want to show you is how a thermal image remains on a surface for a while. You see this sometimes in the ghost hunting television programs. I placed my hand on the wall for a few seconds, and when I took it away, the thermal camera was able to see the image for quite some time afterwards. Well, that's all we have for now. Thanks for joining us.